Welcome guys, Cream Bas back again with another recent video. Today we're going to check out Pete, our pet, and Bas Windowframe Cypher feat the snooker team. Someone said these guys are like almost 100-200 years old. Like they're old guys, you see me? So them are rap and everything, and we're gonna check this and see what's going on. This is probably gonna be good. Let's begin now. Oh my god, a thrift store, perfect place for retirees.
Went down for a long when a young man never said names. I got big toes and I got big cars and I got big chains. Gold, one on each finger, hands on the wheel of the range.
What the fuck is going on? What the hell is this? Grandpa? Is that you? Is that you, Grandpa?
Come round here, get put for the window frame. Get put for the window, then I come kick their doors. I like my watch, but hold on, mate, I still want yours.
What the hell is going on?
You know my name. You don't want to come round here, get put for the window frame. I don't want to hear another word from your mouth, son. I came to collect this paper. Made so many bets on the iPhone, I used up all of my 4G data. Out with a wife in spoons and I just put a fork in the mouth for your waiter. Knock a man out in an Uber, I'm the new Charlie Slater. You don't want to come round here, got some of those swords and a black top beamer. I got your wife in the kitchen, bent down screaming PK.
Oh my god, what the hell is this? Wait. This old dude said he got this dude wife bent down in the kitchen. My guy, look like you can't even stand up, my guy. What the hell is going on?
You don't wanna come round there, got some of those swords and a black top beamer. I got your wife in the kitchen, bent down screaming PKJ.
Oh, what the?
Just gouge your eyes. And like I said before, them with your wife in the kitchen pounding thighs.
I go fast and they go slow, and then I go back B get poked. You know this, you want this pole, but I'm on road, wait till I get home. She broke out the packs, I wrapped it. Fling the ass back, I slapped it. You know that Smith's on road, and if I got beef, then bullhead backed it.
Money, cash.
What the hell is going on here?
Stacks. Pound. I'm in the bag of the bank. Trying to pay what it takes. Dishing the air for the fame. I keep on measuring the change.
And I'm on my chef like God, and pull out the quiff and I boot his starting. And I'm up till 5 in the morning, sunrise caps on the trap line calling. Pull out the Pyrex glass, pull out the egg beater and dash. I like to whip wine with mash, and a good girl or white text.
What the hell is this?
The beef one further, it went home in a black bin bag. Thought he could dodge these hands, it got spun like a ceiling fan. I am the man, one phone call and the boys come back.
Man, these must be the coolest old guys ever, bro. In
Went
history.
down for a long when a young man never said names. I got big toes and I got big cars and I got big chains. Gold, one on each
Man, this
finger,
is
hands on the wheel of the
crazy.
range. You don't want to come round here, get put for the window frame. Get put for the window, then I come kick their doors. I like my watch, but hold on, mate, I still want yours. You see these hands, you see this face, you know my name. You
Yeah.
don't want to come round here, get put for the window frame.
Oh. Yo. This shit was crazy as hell. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. One of the best parts was the dude said, I got your wife in the kitchen. This 85-year-old dude talking about got niggas wife in kitchen. Doing what? Cooking your sandwich? I'm not gonna lie, this shit was crazy as hell. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm feeling this, bro. I'm feeling this. This shit was funny as hell. Whew. Anyway guys, this is the iteration video. Peace out. No flow.